Let's handle this.
It's me.
Talk. 2 on the stairs. You stay here, watch the lobby. I'm taking the elevator up. If it gets loud, call for reinforcements.
Copy.
Understood.
God, thank you for your endless love. The love that meets me in my weakness, lifts me in my struggles, and surrounds me in every season of life. Thank you for loving me long before I ever knew you, and for continuing to pour out grace even when I fall short. Lord, your love is my shelter, my strength, and the
24th floor, window side.
2 minutes, the lights out, we're in and gone.
Masks on. Move quiet.
Yeah, I'm listening. Go on.
I said you sounded bored. Figured I'd call and keep you awake.
Bored? With you in my ear? Not a chance.
You always say the right thing.
That's because I mean it. You're my favorite part of this whole shift.
You better write that down. Might need proof later.
Already etched in stone. Right here. That's good. Man. All right, baby girl. I'm on my way as soon as I clock out. Yeah. Love you too. Woo, that's what I'm talking about. Cliff, you smooth as ever. She said she can't wait to wrap her arms around me. Rain ain't stopping a thing tonight. No, sir. Gonna give me some loving tonight. Hey, friend. Let's take it easy.
Steady rain.
Camera left. Move. Clear. Doors live. Wait.
Prepare thyself, for danger comes swiftly, and the wise keep their spirit ready for the hour. They've arrived.
Yeah. This was meant for you. Everything you need is inside.
They found
Listen
us.
to me. You cannot go down. They control the lower floors. This key unlocks the final door. The Bible will tell you how to use it. The only way out is up. Take the north stairwell. Do not stop. Do not look back.
Go. Move. Not tonight. Stay down. Time to go.
Tonight, the city whistles a warning. Figures in black moving like water. Heading here. Old bones might not run, but wisdom knows when to move. See, trouble comes quiet, like rain on glass. Best to greet it with calm steps, not fear. Some storms don't wait for an invitation. The city sends its shadows, swift, certain. But the quiet path often outlives the clash.
Come on, Dad. Pick up. It's fine. He's probably with Elijah watching the game. Or maybe they're in the middle of Bible study. He always silences his phone when they pray. Still, a quick text back wouldn't hurt.
Maybe he left the phone in the car.
He always calls back. Breathe, Eva. He's fine. He's probably asleep. Everything's fine.
You need to move. Safe for now.
Boss, it's me. The window team lost him.
Target's gone.
Gone. You told me he was boxed in.
We had him. He killed the power, slipped the service lift, dropped below our grid. By the time we forced it, shaft was empty.
Where is he now?
Street level, heading north.
You're telling me he's breathing free after what we spent?
For now. He had help inside. I'll trace it. I'll bring him back.
You have 1 hour.
Elijah, I just bounced out the booth, man. Laid something crazy. I'm talking fresh off the fire. You gotta hear this track. I'm telling you, it's the one.
That's good work, kid. I'm proud of you.
For real? Wait till you hear it. When you free, I'll send it right now.
As soon as I finish handling some business, I'm pulling up. Keep that energy. Don't lose it.
Hey, feel like the mic know my secrets, man. Out here, it ain't all jokes. Some nights I still hear sirens when it's quiet, but I just keep writing, keep breathing. This music, it's like a ladder out the mess. And if I can laugh through it, I'ma make it through it. That's word.
Time to suit up. 3 shadows, 1 objective. They don't know who's waiting for them. Let's get to work.
I try so hard to make this love stay, but your heart had other plans.